I am grateful and thankful for all the subscribers and viewers that have come to my channel that hopefully will be useful and helpful for whatever projects you're doing. Thank you. This is an important safety tip if you're installing electrical outlets. It doesn't matter if you're installing GFCI style outlets, USB style, or regular electrical outlets. If you take a look at this photo, on the back of the outlets you'll see 4 round holes. Those are the holes where you would strip your electrical wires and push the wires in. That's where you'd make your connections. A lot of people use these because they're fast, easy, and convenient. I strongly recommend against using these mounting holes in the back because there's a couple of problems with them. First problem is the wires can separate and get loose, especially if they're being pulled. The contacts in the back are pretty much just knife edge contacts. They only make a small amount of contact with the copper electrical wires and they don't hold very well. They only make contact over a small surface area. It is not the best option if you want the maximum transfer of current to the outlet. A better option is to go ahead and use these side screw terminals to install the electrical wires. Use the side screw terminals, screw them down properly and carefully, and you get maximum transfer of power from the wires to the outlets. But also you'll get the least amount of resistance and potentially the least heating in the wires, and you'll also have a much more secure connection. When the wires are screwed down, it'll be very difficult to pull them loose. As always, observe proper safety precautions. Make sure the electrical circuit is not live. Turn off the circuit breaker. And thank you for watching. Take care.